With Manish, yesterday we started one series. We are means solving the sorting algorithm. So let's start the next algorithm part. So first of all we solved the bubble sort algorithm. Now we are going to start the selection sort algorithm. For starting selection sort, we just open the Visual Code Studio. So VS Code Studio we are going to start. See, before we started a bubble sort, there we make one folder. Just we are going to open that folder. So we created a folder on the desktop. So we searching that folder. See here is that folder, and we are going to use this folder. And see, before only we solve the bubble sort algorithm by using Java. Now we are going to start selection sort. So starting selection sort, we first of all give the class name. So we are giving the selection sort dot java class name. So see, this directly we created class, but see here package name is not given. So why is package name is not given? Because we started directly to the directly Manish folder. We have to open only that program folder. So I'm going to delete and I'm going to arrange again it. So we'll understand you will understand again. So delete all these thing. Sorry. Now we are going to open new window, creating this delete. Now we are going to open folder. Now our folder is in desktop. So see, and we have to open this program folder only. See, after the open the program folder, here we will see package name also. Understand how we will get that package name. So now we have to make the folder inside the Manish, so we can write the folder selection sort program. See here, this program is our program this program is the place where we storing all the program, and this Manish is the package name. In this package name, we package is a collection of class where we storing different classes, where we store bubble sort Java, and here we are going to start selection sort dot Java program. So by selection sort Java, for now we are going to start. So first of all we start the main function. So for writing main function, we have to write the this code: public static void main string argus, this one. And for now we have to take the input from the user. So we import the import package import java dot scanner package, input java dot util dot scanner. So by using this, we have to take the size of the array from the user. We have to mention the class of the scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. After that, we have to take the variable name size in the data type, because we have to take the size in the integer format. So I am taking the integer data type. So we taken sc dot next int. Now we have to create the array int array int size, and we have to take the input one by one. Here also we can type there, enter the size of the element. enter the size of the array. By using this variable, we take the size of the array, and by using this size we we declare the, means we have to declare the size of the array, means 4 element we can store that array, or 3 element we can store array. And that only we have to do there. Now we have to take the input from the user one by one. So system dot out dot println enter the element one by one. So by using for loop we take by using this method we storing the element one by one in this array. Now the our means we have this much, after writing this much code, we have taken the size of the array from the user, we stored the element one by one into the array. Now we have to apply the full bubble sort algorithm, selection sort algorithm here. So for writing selection sort algorithm, first of all we start the for loop. I loop till size, and I increase by 1, I till we have to go size minus 1. Why we taken size minus 1, I will explain you after. Int min is equal to I, or int j is equal to 0, j till j I plus 1, j si j desize j plus j plus plus. Now we have to take one thing. If min array of min is greater than the array of j, then the index value of min is equal to j. This is our full logic. If we have just understand, if I taken array 5 4 4 1 3 2 1 like that, and see, first of all we take array of I is equal to 0, because here the mean value is 0, so mean value is index 0. Okay, so we are taking array of mean, here we taken array of mean here is 5, okay, or here is 4, because I plus 1. If mean is greater than array of j, then the index value of j is stored in here. So here index value will go index value will go here, like in 1, because 0 is 5 and 1 is 4. So here now the mean is 1. Okay, after that we have to swap the element. Now we'll swap int now create in temp variable, and now min is equal to array of min, and now in array of min is equal to array of I, and now array of I is equal to, we have to store in temp. This much logic the bubble sort algorithm is sorry, my mistake. I'm always telling a bubble sort. This is not a bubble sort program, this is a selection sort program. See, the class name also is here, so don't understand wrong, like don't understand this is a bubble sort program, this is a selection sort program. Okay, now we have to print that element. So printing that element, just simply we have to write a for loop. For int I is equal to 0, I is greater than I till size, and I increase by 1 1, and the system dot out println array of I. See, See, this is a full here we write the output also. Simply we write, so we'll understand the output start from here. Sorry, the output is, so this much is the bubble sort program, and we just run once. C5 now I have to enter the element one by one, like I have entered 5 4 1 3 2. So see, this is our output 1 2 3 4 5. This is a correct program, and thank you.